Good morning. Are you looking for a good restaurant? Here's a good one. British food, 100%.
Good morning. Thanks, we'll take a look.
It look good.
Today is opening. Call and make reservation.
Thanks, we'll do so. See you there.
Thanks, see you there.
Bye.
Food and food. Can I help you?
Good morning. A table for 4, please.
No problem. What time?
At 1:30.
Okay, a table for 4 at 1:30. One name, please.
Janet Johnson.
Okay, thanks for calling.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Welcome to Food and Food. Have you got a reservation?
Yes, a table for 4. My name is Janet Johnson.
Please follow me. Take action. I hope you restaurant.
Good evening. My name is Mamadou, and I'll be your waiter today. Here your menu today.
Oh, yummy.
I'm hungry. I am ready to order.
Me too. Please, waiter.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. The starchy potato and the spaghetti for me.
I have chips and fish and chicken roast.
Great, I have the same too. I'll have baked potato and spaghetti bolognese.
Okay, thanks. What would you like to drink?
An orange, please.
Lemonade.
Waiter.
Cola.
Okay. Here are your drinks. Water, lemonade, Fanta, and Coca-Cola.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, our meal, I'm hungry.
Yes, me too.
Me too.
Just a minute, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, but the cook is ill. We can't sell it today.
I can't believe it.
It's amazing. Can was a bill to place?
Yes, let's go.
Well, I'm really sorry.